Car look good. Car look too crazy. You know what I mean? But yeah. Damn. Alright, so y'all know I've been telling y'all that I have a lot of stuff to install, and today is the day. Y'all see the box in the background. Y'all see everything for real. So with that being said, with these, got a paddle shit. Just got them from my boy Dev's 3.7. He totaled his car got totaled, so he gave me these paddles for real. I don't know if this is still his Instagram name. Just these are his paddles. Obviously don't fit my car with the color, so thinking about just doing just all black. Might do some teal spider paint. That's that for real. And you go back here to the big boy box. You know what I mean? I might as well just get out of the car and show y'all, huh? Yeah, I'm about to do that. As I was saying, y'all see the paddles right here. Damn, you come here. Come on now. Come on now. That's all y'all need to see for real. And we got the Q50 tag light. Let me go ahead and pull out the intake so y'all. Come on now. See what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. And we got this. I bet. That's yeah. Yes, sir, y'all. We got the paddles in. Cut them out from the side. This shit hanging though, but I'm gonna probably just get the sport column eventually for real. I can do it this for right now. This ain't nothing. Yeah, man. Got the paddles, they painted too. I don't see that shit. That's a bat. Now I'm ready to race, nigga. You know what I mean? I'm ready to turn out there like that. I ain't right, nigga. Yes, sir. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. More shit coming. Yes, sir. You too. Y'all see what's going on? You know what I mean? Sadly, had to take out the strut bar. You know what I mean? Y'all see exactly what's going on. Yeah. Yeah. Sadly, we can't put the strut bar back on because I have the wrong brackets around, so the braces rubbing on the strut bar. Sadly, so I'm gonna have to get a different. I'm gonna have to. Damn, this fucking loose ass G fucking. Yo, Infinity made the dumbest hood strategy ever. I don't know if I need new dampers or it's just like this, but yeah, shit like. Any like two mile per hour wind, that should be closing on my dumb ass, hit my damn head. But yeah, this shit look right. Yeah, this shit look right. Excuse my trunk, y'all, but yeah, I'm not seeing my tags no more. I had this before. The rain fucked up the motor, so Chino just restarted for me. He also put this Q50 diffuser light on there because my old one flew off, so got that shit on there too. Y'all see the 212. Nah, I want to put this on so bad, but I know I gotta get different brackets for it. Like I said in the last clip, I got a lot of shit in here, y'all, so don't mind it. So getting some gas right now. You know what I mean? Everything set, everything all done and square. No, begin fueling. That big 93 pump, you know, a little bit of drip came out. Come on, go ahead, fill my shit up. You know what let me go ahead and turn my thing on so I put that thing down. Y'all see the paddles? Good God. And I customize them myself. Go ahead, you feel me? Go ahead, just press this button real quick. You know what I mean? Let my shit just drop down. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Back to my old look, y'all. For the ones who don't know, I had this same exact setup before, but like I said, the motor got fucked up to the tag cover and my rear diffuser light flew off. So now, got that back in business. Everything's set. Everything's good to go. Yes, sir. Look good. About to hop back on the road. Head back to school. Oh, wait, hold on. Did I almost forget to show y'all? Wait, I already showed y'all this. The rotors, ceramic brake pads, but I forget to show y'all the front end? Oh my gosh. I gotta give her a wash, y'all. She real dirty, but oh my gosh. Yeah, that shit looks insane. Yeah, that shit look insane. Insane work. This could be a thumbnail right here.
Boy, if you don't get
type shit. That shit not even far enough, but yeah, y'all. Insane work. Insane fucking work. Oh my gosh. Y'all see this? Wait, hold on. I can't see it. That shit stopped. 60 ball? That was a 60 ball real quick. Hold on, let me put this picture in the shadows for real. Oh my gosh. No edit, by the way. 60 ball. I was on a quarter tank. You know what I mean? People staring at me. I don't care. This music is in the background. I'm trying to talk over it so I don't get copyrighted. You know what I mean? I hope I can use this motherfucking audio or this clip. I see what I'm doing. Make sure y'all, you feel me? I get every drippity drop in that ball. Yeah. I'm in a real good mood, y'all, if y'all can't tell. Nope. Yes. I'm gonna see y'all on the road. Peace. Dang, y'all. Yeah, this shit crazy, y'all. This shit look good. That shit look good. Oh, you see a black man in that. Oh, that's a GT43? They make those? I ain't know they make those. My fault, y'all. I thought it was GT63, y'all. Y'all, G look real good with the paddles. I'm real satisfied with the work. G, you know, my guy. I'm gonna show y'all when I get back to the crib. I just want to show y'all this little view, this little cinematic, this little view with the mountains and shit. Y'all probably can't even hear me. I want to show y'all this little view. Mountain shining, going through two mountains, and then this view even crazy too. Alright, hold on. Watch, so I pass the sun, y'all. Damn! Y'all see that shit right there? Damn, that motherfucker right there. Y'all see that shit right there? Yeah, though, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and tap in. I'm gonna go ahead and tap in with y'all as soon as I get back to the crib and shit. Go ahead, like, show y'all for real everything I got done. 4 things for real, you know what I mean? But nah, no check engine light, y'all see it. It's a little faulty though, going in and out. I do got an exhaust leak, so I'm getting that fixed this week too. Yeah, I mean, but other than that, she running. Y'all see him averaging 20.9 on cruise control. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead, bump my music. Hold on. Let's see who we about to bump. Driving with the knee. Oh my gosh. Driving with the knee in the corner. So let's see who we about to bump. Let's see who I want. This outro out with. What you trying to do? Oh. Nigga. Yeah. I'll take a 7, I'll make it 21 like I'm town docking. Nigga, your bitch picking the jewels, we got this shit dropping. Bro got a Portland on his shirt like sign count, baby. Smoking on something got me higher than a blimp, baby. You can't. What's good, YouTube? We just at the car wash real quick. You know, I put the old grill real quick on the front just so I don't get too much water on it. Cause I don't have my mesh grill yet or whatever, or my mesh waterproof intake covers to put on there. They're coming in tomorrow. So What's good, YouTube? It's your boy STINO RWD back at y'all with another video. And this is just I don't know why I said that, because this is a continuation of all my parts that I got installed. And y'all seen this for real, so this is the ending clip, just explaining everything and whatnot. Look at the view. Let's go ahead and take it, you feel me? The view. And I got G-Ski sitting right here looking real smooth. Looking too sweet. But yeah, I just wanted to go over what I had got installed and everything. So let me go ahead and pop the hood. Let's start off with them. Nah, fuck that. Let me go ahead and start off with the paddles since it's inside. Then we got the paddles, the carbon. That's that carbon. See how my guy Chino cut it. I didn't really care about this hanging for real because no one really gonna see this. But yeah, cut it out with a shrug. I probably will get a sports shrug eventually, but I just didn't care. I wanted paddles on my car, so that's what I got. And I mean, y'all see it, customize them a little bit. I didn't want to do all tail. I'm gonna go ahead and put pictures in here and show y'all what I was doing, but I kept painting it and painting the guys, make you know what I wanted done for real. But shit. See it and whatnot. Yeah, see it and whatnot. But yeah, that's the interior mod. I got done. Gonna go ahead with the engine bay. And y'all already see that thing open for real. Y'all seen it inside the thumbnail. But yeah, we got 2.5 Z1 long tube intakes. Wow. Shit, I wish I could have my strut bar in here. I had it, but the brackets to the strut bar that I have don't really fit. As you can see, we're trying to put it on. We're scratching the intake, and over time, that shit is going to cause a hole in it, because the same shit happened. I had short rams before for like a year. Just, you feel me? Had a lot of short rams. But check out the Z1 long tubes. They look good. Car look good. Car look too crazy. You know what I mean? But yeah. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take a picture with the Z1s. I mean, with the strut bar. That's what I'm gonna do. Go ahead, cat. You feel me? Oh shit, go ahead, cat. Right there, like it's not connected. Nah, I ain't even gonna do that. That's funny. I could though. From afar, that bitch look like it's not connected to nothing though. I should kinda do it from afar. But yeah, y'all, so yeah, I'm really satisfied with these. Not gonna lie, my car has been running smoother. My car got louder since I got these installed. Like, it just got overall louder. I have a muffler delete only. My car just got louder for real. So yeah, then we go ahead and go to the back. The last two mods that we got installed, which the mods I had before, but I'm about to explain it. So it's the tag cover. Tag cover I had before, but it had broke because the motor got wet and whatever, and I was kind of turning it on and off while I was trying to record a video in the rain. So, but yeah. Then I also got the tag light at the bottom. It is functional. My last tag light used to be on when the light is on, but this one stays. Dang, I can't consider that. But this one stays off until you press the brakes. Let me show y'all. Y'all see it flashing right there. Yeah, man. And another thing I kind of like about these that my other ones didn't have is cars off now, right? If I lock the car and unlock the car, this shit flashes. I don't know if Chino rewired it to a different connector or something, the brake light, but I kind of like this better anyway. So y'all see that? Unlock. Lock. Like, that shit's so hard to me. That shit hard as shit. Like, what? Like, that shit hard as shit. I see that. Like, come on, man. But yeah, that is what I got installed. Everything. Hope y'all like. Comment, subscribe, share it to a friend. Hit that bell down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna see y'all in the next vlog, next video, next car video next year. You know what I mean? Peace. So y'all, the intake mesh cover, waterproof holders, whatever the hell, just came in. So I'm about to just, you know, quick little installation. Shouldn't be too hard, just wrapping around. That for y'all can see me. I hope it's clear. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it is hot as shit. I hope they fit, cause it didn't have the exact Z1 one, so I hope they're gonna fit. Should be just able to just sneak it over. Oh, hold on, I gotta come back to y'all. Shouldn't be that hard, you know. Not gonna lie, I do not like this look, but it's gonna have to do for right now. They do fit though. I can make it a little tighter, but yeah, they fit. Just gotta cover them because, you know, I'm not trying to get them messed up. Yeah, they fit perfectly. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the other ones. As I was saying, y'all, it is hot. Holy shit. I'm about to start sweating. Like, I feel the sweat coming down. That's how they look, y'all. And whatnot. Like $25 on Amazon. And that's it, y'all. How they look now. I got a little cover over them, so not gonna get messed up in the water and the rain and shit like that. These ones look like they fit a little bit better. Let me push them back, man. Push them back just like that. So let's push back all the way. Yeah, y'all. Those are them. Up close. And yeah, that's gonna save me until I get my carbon fiber mesh grill.